Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. We are going to work on our letter M craft. Now, here is our letter M. Mrs. Hensley has already cut it. It's going to be a mouse. But I wanted to show you something, okay? Do you see how Mrs. Hensley got out of the lines? Do you see how she did that? The reason I did not cut this out is because I wanted to show you something. I did not get out of the lines because I'm cutting this. I did get out of the lines because I'm cutting this out. And if you're cutting something out and you're going to be cutting on these lines, it's okay if you get out of the lines and you can do it quicker. Now, if it's not being cut out, you can't scribble like that, okay? But Mrs. Hensley did this. And she didn't have to worry about staying in the lines because I'm cutting everything out. Watch. You see how I've got crayons like I got out of the lines? You see that? Watch Mrs. Hensley cut out that end. Just watch. I'm going to show you something. I'm cutting on the line of the M. Cutting on the line, Mrs. Hensley. Okay, I'm going to show you something. See, my scissors are pointing to the sky. And I'm moving my paper, not my scissors. Watch. Can you tell that Mrs. Hensley colored outside of the lines? You can't, can you? So see, when you're cutting something out and if you get out of the lines, it's okay. So you don't have to take your time coloring something like that because we're cutting. See, watch. These whiskers I got out of the line. But if I'm cutting on the lines, you wouldn't even know I got out of lines, would you? So that saves you a little bit of time. Now these have to be cut apart. Okay, so on each line, you're going to cut those out because those are our whiskers for our mouse. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley's cutting these out. That is, normally I have this cut out already because I don't want to waste time. But I wanted to show you. Look, Mrs. Hensley scrabbled. Okay. But I also made sure there's not white in my coloring. But I can get out of the line because Mrs. Hensley is cutting it out. But if you're not cutting it out, you can't get out of the lines. But I'm cutting it out. And this tail is not fun to cut out either because you have to squiggle lines. And it's little, it's thin. Okay, you can't tell I got out of the lines, can you? Okay, now I need to cut out the eyes. I didn't color my eyes because they're going to be black and white. So I just left them like that. But you can color them with a white crayon if you wanted. I just didn't feel like doing that. And I know this is wasting time, and I'm sorry. I just wanted to show you. I saved you some time on your coloring, okay? And I've got ears and a nose to cut out. See, I got out of lines on the ears and the nose, but I'm cutting them out. So it's okay if I got out of the lines, right? I just wanted to show you something like that. I'm going to show you that because it takes up a lot less time if you don't have to really work on keeping in the lines. But when you're cutting something out, especially our letter crafts, I think our letter crafts are really the only thing you can do that with. You don't have to worry about staying in the lines because you're cutting every piece out, right? So it saves us time, saved me time. And it will save you time not worrying about having to stay in the lines. Okay, everything is cut out on my mouse. Okay, so I'm going to take my M and I'm going to start with my ears. So I'm going to put glue on 2 ears because the mouse has 2 ears, just like us. We have 2 ears. I'm going to put an ear here. And I'm going to put an ear here. Okay, Mrs. Hensley put her mouse's ears on. Okay, my mouse's ears are on. Now I'm going to put my mouse's eyes. Glue. and glue. And there's my mouse's eyes. Put their eyes there. Now I'm going to put his nose on and his whiskers. I put his nose right there. And I'm going to put his whiskers there too. So I just need a little bit of whisk on the end of the whiskers. Okay, just a little bit, not a lot. One whisker. I'm going to do 3 whiskers on each side, okay? 3 whiskers on each side. The company only did 2, but they gave us 6 whiskers, so why not? Why not, right? Okay, 3. Now I'm going to do 3 on the other side. I've got 3 on this side. Now I'm going to do 3 over here on this side, okay? 1. This is fun making a mouse. I don't know if you guys enjoy making these little letter crafts, but I like them. I think they're cute. And M says, doesn't it? So, I hope you guys like them. Even if you know all your letters and sounds, it's still fun to make letter crafts, right? Okay. And I'm missing a tail, aren't I? Yes, I am. He needs his tail. And this time I'm going to put it on the side I colored. Okay? Because I'm gluing it to the back of him. And I have to push down so it stays. There's Mrs. Hensley's mouse. There's my mouse. Okay? And if you want to put your name on the back, you can, but you can keep this wherever you would like because you do not need to bring this back. I hope you enjoyed making your Mouse M craft. Have a wonderful day, friends. Bye. I forgot to show you. This is the company's mouse. This is Mrs. Hensley's mouse. You can put 2 whiskers on. You can put 3 whiskers on. I like it better with 3. You make your choice. And if you want to cut, it looks like they cut their whiskers to make them a little bit shorter. And if you want to do that, you're welcome to do that. Okay? Have a great day, friends. Bye.